Hello guys, today we will learn what is microcontroller and why it is used. So in our home, we see refrigerators, um, cars, and in hospitals, uh, we we know we cannot run refrigerators for 24 hours. So, if we put something in the refrigerator keeps its cooling and its auto cut down to save powers. So, similarly, in if we see in cars, we have seat belts, and if we face any accidents, the airbag will deploy as soon as the impact us. And in the case of ICU, uh, the patient healthcare is monitored by the computers and display on the monitors. These all are done with the help of microcontroller. So, in the case of geyser, when the water got excess heat, then the geyser turn off itself with the help of microcontroller. And if you see in the homes, many appliances used for security purpose, like at the door, if anyone interferes or the intruders used to uh, go in your house without authorization, then the security alarm will triggers and send notification to your mobile phones, computers, and many different systems which you use for the security purpose. So let's discuss what is microcontroller. So microcontroller and microprocessor, these are the two similar words which are um, usually make a same sense, but these are two different things. So you see, this is a two picture of microcontroller and microprocessor. Let's discuss what is the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. So microprocessor is a is an internal circuit made of billions of transistors, which is used for solving problems. In microprocessor, you will see you have ALU, CU inbuilt in the microprocessor, where in the microcontroller you have a embedded system on a compact digital board. And this both have a circuit in which you will put microprocessor in a motherboard, and in microcontroller all the necessary equipments are inbuilt. um, it has internal memory, it has a power adapter, while in the microprocessor you have to build an SMPS so that power can be supplied, and RAM sticks and many different things you have to put in the microprocessor. But in a microcontroller, all the necessary equipments are inbuilt. It's have memory, output input devices. Uh, in microprocessor, you can do many major tasks, while in microcontroller, only basic tasks can be done. In microcontroller, you have a lower clock speed, while in microprocessor, it has higher clock speed. Microprocessor are built to work extensive tasks. It is built to make many tasks, programming, etc. While in microcontroller, you can do some basic tasks. Um, let me show you a 3D model of what is microcontroller. You will be more more easy to you will have to more easy to find what is. So this is a microcontroller which is known as Arduino Uno. So as I say, it have inbuilt power supply. So this is a USB jack. You put a power supply to uh, this microcontroller using your computer system. This has a barrel jack through which you can give AC power supply, and this is this it is the controller. This stick is a controller, or you can say brain of this Arduino, and There are many pinholes which are used to power supplies and analog digital. So basically, in microcontroller, you put analog devices and the data is converted into digital. Suppose if we take a case of geyser, as I mentioned earlier, if the temperature increase from its peak value, the geyser will turn off. Let let me let me discuss what I want to say. If the thermometer will measure the temperature of a water in the geyser, this will given data through the analog ins the the microcontroller will process the data and it gives to the digital pins and the digital pin will power of the geyser. This is how a microcontroller works. So we will discuss the more details of Arduino Uno in the next class. Thanks.